Hi everybody, it's Crystal. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. I am doing okay. So today I want to show you some yarn that I purchased a while ago. I've had it and I haven't opened it, but it came from a lot of my YouTube friends here recommended me trying Expression Fiber Arts. It's hand-dyed yarn. Now I know Expression Fiber Arts from her YouTube channel. I've seen her YouTube channel and I've seen that she crochets gorgeous shawls. You should check out her YouTube channel. I mean, she has the most beautiful shawls that I've seen, and a lot of people told me that her yarn is very gorgeous too. So I went on her website and I did order some yarn, and I got it a while ago, but I'm gonna open it now. So it came in this pretty rose bag. I love roses, they're my favorite. So I'm excited. I bet it's pretty. Well, from what everybody said, that it's pretty. She shipped priority mail. I got, like I said, I got it a little while ago, but if I can remember right, I think it only took a few days to get here. I live in Illinois and it shipped from North Carolina. So you could check out her site. She had some really beautiful yarns and some really pretty bases that you could that she dyed on. So let's look at it. You want to? Expression Fiber Arts, a positive twist on yarn. Well, I'm always up for positivity, especially with yarn. Let's check it out and see what we got. I don't know if there's an invoice in here or not, but we will look. Okay, here's the first one that came out. This is her card here, I guess. And this one is called Reindeer Sparkle DK. 60% superwash merino, 26% nylon, and 10% baby alpaca. Nice. 4% metallic. There are 275 yards per hank. And of course, I'm a brown person. Smells clean. Like clean hand-dyed yarn. I love that one. That is very pretty. So some of these I bought to put in a giveaway because I can't keep all this yarn, but some of them this one I did buy to keep. I thought this would make a pretty good hat, even though it is a DK and I don't like to work with DK. I can do it if the yarn is pretty enough. Okay, so I will admit that her hand-dyed, some of it was not cheap, but it's very beautiful. And yarn is worth what you'll pay for it. So, I mean, I wanted to get it and try it out. So, she doesn't have a lot on the Sparkle DK at the moment. But I think to my knowledge, she had a big Black Friday sale and a Cyber Monday sale, which I missed because I had already purchased mine before then. But that's okay. But anyways, her Sparkle DK runs $30 a hank. But I think it's worth every penny. That is some beautiful yarn. I love that. I love that color. But these are my colors. So, and I love blinging yarn. So I like that a lot. And I have enough here to make a beautiful hat. That's very pretty. I'm going to keep that one. Okay. Next up, I thought this one was really pretty too. This one is called Scarlet. I love a nice, beautiful, deep red yarn. There's something about it. It's just so, I don't know how you say it. You know. Beautiful. It's very pretty. This is called Scarlet. And it's on her Dewy DK base. It's 70% superwash merino, 25% nylon, and 10% silk. 250 yards. So DK, if you don't know, is a lightweight 3. Now her Dewy, she had 3 bases for her. I tried to get one of each so I could show you guys. Her Dewy DK runs $25 a hank. So that's not bad. I don't think any of it's bad really for hand dyed. It's very pretty. Smells clean. It's very soft, and it's beautifully dyed, evenly, perfectly. Very nice. Beautiful red. Ooh, that one's pretty too. Pretty, pretty. Okay, and then she had some bulky. And I like bulky yarns. She didn't have a lot of bulky, but she did have some. And the one that I ordered, she emailed me and told me they were out. And I said that she could just swap it out in one of similar color. So it's called, this is it. It's very pretty. My colors. Hey, this would make a beautiful hat. I don't know how much yard it is in it. Let's see. This is called Mystique. Mystique. I love it. I love it. So the Mystique is, oh, this is on her buttery bulky base. So it is a bulky number 5. Look at the colors in that. That's gorgeous. There's like all different, very fall looking, very hat looking for me. Buttery bulky Mystique, 100% superwash merino, and it is 120 yards. Yes, I could definitely make a hat out of that, and it's $24 a hank for the bulky. Bulky number 5. Chunky. All those is the same. So I love that. That's very pretty. The one that I wanted was the one that I ordered, I forgot what it was called. They don't have it anymore, but it was very similar to this one. So yeah, she did swap out into a similar color. Okay, let's move on. Ooh, this one's pretty. Okay, now we're gonna go to her worsted weight selection, I guess, or her number 4 weight or Aran weight, depending on where you're from. This is, excuse me, this is called her luster. It's the luster base. She doesn't have a lot of yarn left. Look at that shine on that. That reminds me of Karen Simply Soft. Look at that. That's pretty. So let's read about this one. This one's called Cabbage Rose. Very pretty. It's very evenly distributed light pink. It's pretty much no other color than that. So it's pretty solid. It's 50 merino, 50 lyocell, 200 yards of a 4-weight yarn. Oh, it's pretty. It's soft. I like the shine that it has on these. You can see that shine, can't you? It's $24 for her luster 4-weight and 24 hank. It's very pretty. Like I said, it reminds me of Karen Simply Soft, but like nicer. It's very, very pretty. I love that one. All right, let's move on to this one. This is on her, let me go ahead and get out all the, I think I got a couple lusters, maybe not. I might have got all this other base. She had a lot of pretty colors in this one base. This is a luster. This is a, I don't know what this is. Oh, that's a DK. What do you know? What do you know? All right. Okay, and this is also on the luster base. I had to get it because it's so pretty. Look at that shine on that one. This one is called Brown Bear. It's on the luster worsted, which is a 4-weight, 50 merino, 50 lyocell, 200 yards. Very solid. Well, it's a beautiful, beautiful, almost brownish, purplish color. I can't explain it, but it's very shiny, very gorgeous. I love this, and these were $24 a hank also. Very pretty. I like that. Smells clean and it's soft. All of these are soft. They all smell clean. They're very nice. Okay, and then she had another weight of the 4-weight, and it was called Pearlescent. And I obviously like that one a lot because that's pretty much mostly what I got. Now the Pearlescents run $30 a hank. They're beautiful though. Okay, so this one is called Pearlescent Dark Roast. 50% superwash merino and 50% mulberry silk. 220 yards. Oh, that's pretty. It's very shiny also, like the luster. But it's roving style. as opposed to the luster. As you can see, it's very shiny, but it is twisted. Now, this is roving. Roving is my favorite type of yarn, and I love the shine on it. This is absolutely gorgeous, worth every penny of $30. That is beautiful. Well, you know, that's just me though. Like I said, it's worth what you'll pay. It's very beautiful brown and like a grayish blue. That is beautiful. The color is called, yeah, dark roast. 220 yards. That is so pretty. I love that one a lot. I like that base. I like it because it's the roving style. Here's another pearlescent. This one is called Poetry and Rose. Pearlescent base. Yep, the same. 50 superwash merino, 50 mulberry silk, 220 yards. Look at that one. That is a very pretty also. It is the roving style, and it's very shiny. I love that dark blue and that tan together with the white. That is gorgeous yarn. Very soft. Very clean smelling. It's so pretty. I love that. Very, very fine job on these yarns. Ooh, this one's pretty too. This one's called Essence. This is the pearlescent base again. So it's the superwash merino silk blend, 220 yards, roving style, 4-weight yarn. Look at that one. That one's beautiful. Yes, 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 it is. It's a good name. I like that one. Kind of remind you of Essence, I guess. Very pretty. Yeah, it's very pretty, isn't it? You see the shine on that? Don't worry, I'm not keeping all these. I can't. I won't have enough time to use them all. This one's beautiful again. This is the last. No, I got another one. 2 more on her pearlescent base. This one's called Red Velvet Rose. I had to get it. So this is her merino pearlescent merino silk blend. Oh, that's just a solid burgundy color. That's beautiful. It's 4-weight roving style. Very, very pretty. Now, I don't know if she has all these colors anymore because, like I said, she had a Black Friday sale. And it looks like she got wiped out. But she probably... looks like now she has a lot of pre-orders. Maybe you could order. When I'm looking at her site right now. A lot of pretty colors. But I can't order any more of it because it's kind of expensive. But it's very pretty. This one is called Naughty List. I do see that she still has this one though. I don't know why, because it's very pretty, unless she dyed more. Oh my gosh, she has so many more. I can't look at her site anymore. This one's called Naughty List. It's the pearlescent worsted, so it's merino, 4-weight merino silk blend. Look at that, roving style. That is beautiful. Now that is some pretty yarn. I love that one. Purple and pink. Roving style. Smells clean. Oh, so pretty. My daughter would love that one. Okay, I got 2 more hanks to show you. And then she had 1 more base on her 4-weight. I tried to get 1 of each base so I could tell you, you know, about what each base felt like. But I kind of figured that all her yarn was going to be nice. So... because I heard a lot. I didn't hear any negative reviews about it at all. So this one is her Enduring worsted base. So Enduring, it's a 4-weight, 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 180 yards. This one is called Choppy Waters. That is very, very pretty. So it smells clean, and it feels like, you know, your basic merino hand-dyed yarn. Very nice. It's nice yarn, soft. And these run 28 a hank, which is not bad, in my opinion. I think that's a gorgeously done dyed yarn. You can see it's got all different colors of blue and white in it. I don't see it on her site at the moment, but it doesn't mean that she won't have it again, or she does have a lot of pretty new ones, but this one is very pretty. Love it. Okay, I got 1 more to show you. It's a Christmas yarn, and it's actually a DK weight. So, and it's alpaca. Well, 50 alpaca, 50 mulberry silk. And I do not see it anymore. There it is. No. DK, there it is. Alpaca silk DK. That's what I got. It's a Christmas yarn. It's Christmas yarn. She doesn't have it anymore. But the alpaca silk DK is $33 a hank. Well, it's because it's 50% alpaca and 50% silk. It's high quality. It's got a nice fiber content. That's why it's more money. Plus, you know, it's a DK, which is a 3-weight. It's 230 yards, which isn't bad. This one's called Ho Ho Ho. So it's Santa Claus themed. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Oh, and this is the softest one of them all. But I figured that it would be because it has the most alpaca in it. But it's still very pretty. And if you did not know, alpaca is a hyperallergenic wool. So for those of you that are allergic to wool, you can read up on alpaca before you buy it. You might be able to see that it is very, very soft. It's one of the softest wools, and it is hyperallergenic. But I do recommend you read up on it if you're allergic to wool before you buy it. But I think it might be a suitable alternative for you if you have trouble with merino or any other type of wool. It might be something that you might want to look into because it's one of the softest wools, like cashmere, and it's hyperallergenic, so it's very beautiful. This is a very beautiful yarn. I wish that she had more colors in it, but at the time she didn't, but that's okay. This one is very beautiful and I love it, and I love Christmas yarn anyways. Oh, it's very soft. So that's it. That's what I got from Expression Fiber Arts. Now, I'm not affiliated with her. I bought this all myself, and I do not have affiliated links with her. In fact, I don't even know her at all, even though she does have a YouTube channel. I only know her. I don't even know her personally. I've only seen her YouTube channel like pop up in my recommendations, and I've seen the gorgeous shawls that she makes from her yarn and stuff. So you guys, I'm gonna link her YouTube channel below. You guys should go check her out because she makes some of the most gorgeous things. She has patterns for and stuff like that, and she really has some very, very beautiful yarn. I would highly recommend any of this yarn to anybody. It's very beautiful. Like I said, it is on the pricey side, but I don't know, as softest factor, the alpaca silk is definitely the softest of them all, but they're all nice. But if I had to choose a favorite of the bunch, it would be very hard for me. Can you guys guess it? I don't know. I think I'm going to go with this one, the Pearlescent Dark Roast. I love this for some reason. It is gorgeous. But, you know, I love the sparkly brown too. And I love it. This one is so cool. Brown Bear. So shiny. So beautiful. But I think I'm in love with this one because of the brown and the bluish gray together. It's like perfectly beautiful colors. And I love the shiny roving style. So I'm definitely, out of all of these, I said I can't keep them all, but I'm definitely going to keep this one for sure, and probably this one for sure. The other ones are up in the air. You'll probably see them in giveaways here now once in a while, but they're all very beautiful, and I would highly recommend them if you get a chance. They came highly recommended to me by my YouTube family here, so I decided to give them a try. So yes, comments, description box, I'll put a link to her YouTube channel. Please check out her channel, subscribe if you haven't. It's always good to support other YouTubers. I always recommend to support other YouTubers if you can. Give them a subscribe. Check out all her videos, her beautiful shawls and stuff she makes, and her website with her yarn that is dyed. So it's beautiful. I love it. So I hope this video wasn't too long. I enjoyed talking yarn with you. It was fun. I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Hey, nah, I don't know what it's going to be. We'll see. I love you all, okay? Bye, guys.